What is up, guys? Welcome back to the summit. We are doing Chainsawman episode 5. We're here live on Twitch. This is the after recording on YouTube. Enjoy. Hopefully we enjoy it. We took a little break. This is episode 5. Yeah, so we left off. Denji is about to get his reward that he worked very hard for against the privates monster. What were they calling it? Worm monster? I don't even remember.
Yeah,
I don't know either, but it wasn't that.
Oh, damn,
Yeah,
like,
he was
right
getting rewarded right now. She's like, "Go ahead, save me, run it."
Oh my god.
W. And of course, she's gonna hype him up too. So he's like, "Damn, Denji got played." Damn, he got played.
I mean, wasn't she?
That still kind of counts. But, oh, 2 squeezes remain. Okay. Alright. So you still get... Alright, so she played him on the first one. That was it. She's letting him know everything. You know? Denji's about to have a fucking
I'm so confused.
midlife crisis
like,
right
is
now.
he upset? Is he not? Like...
No, he's just shocked. He literally... That was his dream. It happened.
I don't...
The cat just jumped on her fucking shoulder like that?
I'm so confused.
What are you confused about?
I'm not confused. I'm just saying, like...
He's
yeah,
hyped.
Like,
he's fucking mind blown right now.
He seemed like... Is he gonna talk
like,
shit that they're not big enough? That's what's gonna piss me
God
off. You know?
damn. No, he's...
Has he been... I don't... Like, is it good shock? That's what I'm trying to figure out. Is it good shock or is it like... What the fuck was that shock? You know what I mean? Be good shock, right? Oh, okay.
Yeah, see, that's what I'm saying. He just, like, he literally just completed his life goal, and he's just like, eh.
As big of a deal as I thought, alright? Yeah.
He's just having, like, a little midlife crisis here. A little early for it, but...
Was I happier to chase?
I don't know if you want to know. But it wasn't that great.
Oh, look at her educating this fucking version.
Alright, Makima. I thought that was blood for a second. I was like, what the fuck? Mind blown.
Got what?
She's like, see, wasn't that way better? Yeah, see, that was what he was saying. He didn't like how easy Power was. Like, Power was just like, I can fuck.
Yeah.
He liked the overdrive.
Right.
He liked...
If it was just because of the boob size, I'm gonna be a little mad. I don't think it was. Yeah, I think you're right. I think you're right.
He needed that explanation. He didn't know how it worked.
Yeah.
And she's smart. She's like, yeah, I need something.
Yeah. Yeah.
And what is he gonna say? No, now? No fucking way in hell he's saying no now.
Yeah, she has no normal size. Alright.
Beat
yeah,
the
so
gun devil?
Alright, I'm happy now. I was like,
A gun devil.
A Gundam?
A Gundam?
Oh, that's what you said, a Gundam?
A gun devil.
A gun devil.
Yeah, that's what she wants him to be. Any wish? That's a pretty good deal. Clarify the wish, bro, because I know what you want, but you gotta have to clarify it. You're gonna have to clarify it. Oh. Clarify it.
Oh my
Clarify
god, Denji.
She's like, I kind of can do whatever the fuck I want, so. Yeah, it's not gonna be an easy fight, Denji, but. Wait, is he gonna try to like kill his fucking younger brother? Some fucked up shit right now. What's about to happen?
And this is what spawns the gun devil. We're seeing some backstory. Oh no.
I'm gonna play by myself.
Sounds like a Promised Neverland voice actor. I love like figuring out who's who. Yes,
He's taking this all serious. Stop it, so I'll fucking drown you with the snow. Frostbite and dies.
And then the gun devil gets him.
Nah, he's like, I'm gonna get my gun now. Now you're sharing him when he comes back with the glove. Bruh!
What is happening? Oh, alright. What? Wait, what? This gun devil's that fucking strong? Well, alrighty, I'll be damned.
He just motherfucking wiped everybody?
A million people?
He just
Alright,
atomic bomb? What?
We've got a problem.
How? How? I get guns are strong and scary, but...
How did a gun kill 1.2 million?
Gun control got a lot more severe after that? What was he using? A ray gun? What the fuck?
What had to have been a ray gun? Yep. Bubbles, why are you always begging for fucking food?
It'll lead us to the gun devil?
Yeah, say food and you just like...
Oh, okay. I see what you mean.
Did someone serve it up? Wait, are those the... I knew it! I knew he had to be one of those. Ever seen his blue, I was like, oh, it's one of these guys.
Damn, his whole family's got blown the fuck away, son. Every Sasuke character's backstory ever. My whole family died in front of my eyes, so.
Damn, look at them all. Alright, look at Swad.
Wait, we didn't get that last guy yet. Who's that last guy in the back?
No clue.
Oh, yeah. That's not how this works.
More flesh.
How I'm using give that thing to me. Don't know. These two fucking problem children here. What?
Andy. Okay.
These two children. What the fuck? Did they not show us because he's about to die? We don't know that girl either. You are. You act like it.
Oh my god.
It shouldn't be so indecent. Hey, reward? Denji, stay getting rewards.
What? I don't understand.
They just keep hooking Denji up.
I'm just saying, it's like every random girl's just like... he just wants attention.
He
like,
said, don't worry about it, I'm
much.
plenty motivated.
Oh yeah, because he likes her. That's what I was about to say. I was like, nah. He's like... Oh my god.
I feel you,
I
Denji.
cannot.
We were just talking about that. Damn, still motivated. She's just trying to fuck Denji. This fast walk. Yeah, I was about to say, you need to put a squad with power if she gonna fucking...
Oh my god.
Bro, you got axe in his hands on.
Oh my god, now they're all fighting. I know it's nasty.
I want some dude all over me. Sixth? What? Oh, okay, she one of them.
What?
She's one of those types, though. They were weak, and they were weak fucking trash, so.
Alright, Bubbles.
But was she saying that because she can't take it anymore? She's like, I'm about to lose my motherfucking mind. You should have sat him in the thing. Incoming! Devil! Let's go! Time for that kiss, Denji! Oh. Devils can't do that. Ew. Easy kill, though. Yeah, what kind of devil is that? Battle is joined. Ira does not play around. Who is this
other
girl?
bitch was just crying.
You see how it floated in fear of me?
What?
Yeah, she ghost devil? Okay, let's go. No one gonna clean that up? We leaving that there? Alright. Leaving that mess there. They got it. That's what hotels got made for.
Them cleaning up their food?
Yeah. Got a few tricks up my sleeve. Fucking blood fiend. Yeah, stop playing games. Relax.
Walker. See, this is what you don't ever see. Walker.
Can't touch it. Yeah, you can't fucking grab it, bitch. Well, she literally told you how that works.
What?
You have power. I mean, power's a blood demon, so that's pretty strong, too. Wait, they already passed that. That's really just where we're at. ET time, baby! Yeah, you can't get to the 9th. You should have left power down there. Oh! The hallway demon. Shit! Why is this bitch? Who is this Sakura? Who is this Sakura woman?
Why
Like,
is she
bro,
just
do
making
we know who she is?
annoying ass noises?
I
Like,
already
girl.
forgot her name because that's how annoying she is.
Ten?
10-10?
Sakura or
No,
Tenten?
Sakura, yeah.
Sakura?
Don't put that hate on 10-10's name like
Really,
that.
Dylan? Is
She's
it
more
my
useful-
fault
more
that
useful.
the Naruto author fucking is so fucking misogynistic?
So, what do we think about that episode? And that's how I felt too. It was okay.
The beginning was kind of interesting with the whole. I was like,
Yeah,
I was not feeling it. It was a little too much.
she was right. What are you talking about? The
But
first
then
one
what
with
it led
power.
into with
You're talking
her...
about with power. The first one with power. In the
Yeah,
beginning?
because I was just confused. Like, I don't get it. And then
You're saying you liked Makima's explanation? Yeah, I agree. What do you rate the episode?
I feel like girl stuff. I was like, either get
Well, Power's not a real girl.
See this
Also.
Japanese dude. I need more Japanese female manga authors. That's what I need.
What? Why don't you look some up?
What didn't a female write Full Metal?
Honestly, I don't remember. I don't pay attention to writers too often, except Goda.
Yeah, you're right, because that's the only one that matters.
That's the only one that matters.
Even though he draws,
always.
I'm a hypocrite. Yeah, he probably would.
So I think I'm giving this one like a 3 out of 5.
I liked what it led into. But yeah,
I did like the
this
explanation,
is just more of
but
an information.
Yeah, big info episode.
But they could have done it a little differently. Cause like it was kind of like going from one thing to the next. I'm like, what the fuck's happening? Like I don't know.
I want to know what the fuck is that? Is this the stairway devil? Is this the hallway? Is this the 8th floor sign devil?
They did something similar though in Jujutsu Kaisen because I was reading that, but it was like a shortened story. It wasn't like
similar to what? Like getting stuck
in the one part, like it was a flashback, and it was showing that they were getting stuck in the same hall, and they were like, "Oh, this is what." And then Gojo came to help. Everybody came to help them get out of that because that was like a strong ass curse or something.
Some bullshit.
So like I don't know. I mean, it's cool how they're like setting this one up because I still think that's kind of cool when you're in like it's kind of like a game, like you're in to figure out how to fuck it out or whatever. But yeah. I don't know.
All right, well, that was episode 5. Appreciate you guys being here for episode 5.
Thank you.
We're live streaming. Make sure you guys go follow us on Twitch. Subscribe if you like the video and the reaction. We're going to do all of Chainsawman. We are anime only. Never read the manga, so that's why I don't know who these people are that we just met for most of this episode.
This is so excited.
So we're going to just be right back. Okay,